Today we're going to show you how to lay the back seats down on a 2025 Jeep Compass. So if you go to the back, you can see right up here, there's a little push button. And when you push it, it will turn red, which means the seat has been released. And you can go ahead and lay that flat. You can do the same thing on the other side. Push the button till it's red and it will release the seat. Move the seat belt. Go down flat, and we'll do the other side. You can see you have all this extra room. To put the seats back, you want to make sure that you grab the seat belt out of the way. Grab the seatbelt out of the way and then it should click into place. And when the red is gone, that means it's locked. Here's a view of the trunk, if this is helpful. It has 4 carry-on bags in the back, so it barely fits 4. Now we've got it jammed with a couple backpacks and 4 carry-on bags.